Today we are at the Waterford in Springfield celebrating Volunteer Fairfax's 25th Volunteer Service Awards program. Today was just amazing. A couple of highlights are that we had Michelle Margolis nominated and won the award from Jeff McKay, recognizing his work on the community as a Holocaust survivor. He is very active in the Green Spring community where he lives. He runs a Parkinson's support group, a French discussion group, and he takes folks from Green Spring on tours of the Holocaust Museum. He is very intentional in his goal to make the world a better place. Volunteerism is valuable and vital to our community here. We have over 41,000 hours put in by over 15,000 volunteers. And the value of that into the county is over $1 million. That's huge. But it goes beyond that.
Volunteering is so important in Fairfax County because it's the bedrock for all of us. Most of us moved to Fairfax County because we wanted to be in this amazing community that had so much to offer and a safe place to raise your kids, to grow up, to work. And really what it takes is all of us working together in a unified front. And I think this morning was so clear, just listening to the personal stories and the tributes that were made, honoring people that have given so much of their time and their energy, which is so much more important than at times than just giving their financial resources.
I would invite anyone with an interest in volunteering to go to our website at www.volunteerfairfax.org. You can create a profile, you can look at the opportunities out there, and if you need more help, you can call us because we'll find the right connection for you.